Hey, what's going on? You're watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a really cool cow. I'm excited. I hope you guys are as well. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, go smash that subscribe button right now. Awesome. Well, a few supplies that we'll need, as always, includes a blank piece of drawing paper and a black Sharpie or pencil if you have. Now, we're only going to need a few different colored markers today. We will need a black, a rose pink, and lastly, a tan marker. Well, let's go try to draw a cow. I think we can do really great. Let's go see what we can come up with. For the first step of making a cow, we're going to begin by making a big upside down U almost in the middle of the page. Underneath of that shape that we just made, we're going to begin to make almost like a big oval. Above the first shape that we made, we're going to begin to make the cow's ears. Now we're going to make a big line coming down from the right ear that will curve just past the oval that we made earlier. Now we're going to use that line that we just made to make the first hoof of the cow. Now a little bit over to the left, we're going to begin to make the second hoof of the cow. We're going to connect the two legs that we just made with one line. Underneath of that line, we're going to use a few squiggle lines to illustrate the udders. Underneath of those udders that we just made, we're going to make the third leg of the cow. Now all the way over to the left side, we're going to make the last leg of the cow. Back up top, we're going to make an outline in each ear. Above each ear, we're going to make the cow's horn. Give our cow a very big happy face. Now, you can color in your cow. Thank you for watching.